Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have completed the texturing over here. So we'll be starting up with the lighting part. So what I'll do over here is like very first of all, I'll set up a camera over here correctly. So let's just set up a camera. So let's select this and let's go over here and let's give a UVW map. Alright, so convert to poly and let's minimize it. So let's press Ctrl C to place up a camera over here and let's go into the perspective view. So now let's go over here and let's take a Vray Sun light. I'll just drag the light. I'll go into this. Let's go over here and increase the size over here. So I'll just increase the size multiplier, or you can go into this. We have photon emit radius. I can use this photon emit radius size multiplier, and we do have the intensity multiplier. So if I go over here and I'll just render it once, let's go into rendering. Let's render it once. So it is like burning right now, as you can see. So I'll slightly reduce it, select the light and go into this intensity multiplier and I'll add it as 0.3 and let's render it once again. It's too high. Again I'll go over here 0.05 and I'll render it once again. Still very high. Go into rendering, environment, I'll clear it. Let's go into the material and let's go into this Vray HDRI. So let's call one HDRI map and I'll drag this right over here and we'll make it as spherical. So I can just add an HDRI map. I'll go over here, press Shift and F, rendering, render setup. So the size over here is 1920 by 1080. If you want to double it, you can double it. But I want to push it more further. And now I can render it once again. This looks a bit better. Again, I'll go over here. Let's push this a bit from side over here, and I'll give a bit of filter color to the light over here in this way, 0.03. Let's again take a V-ray light. Again, I'll take a V-ray light and I'll just drag this right from here So again, I'll go into this camera view. Let me save the file once. And let's go into this and let's set the temperature of it and reduce the multiplier as 2 over here. This looks a bit better now. Go into the options, double-sided invisible and no decay. I'll just activate it. In the correct way. Again, I'll go into the material. Again, I'll go into the slate material editor. We'll go into the tiling stuff. Okay, we have not assigned the reflection as well. That's totally okay. Let's again render it once. If you want, we can change the color of this. So I'll go over here for the wall. I can make it whiter, or I can go with that some other color. Doesn't look good. Still we can slightly reduce the lights over here. So again, I'll select this and I can again set multiplier as 0.4 over here. It's 0.4, and now you can just render and see how it's going to look like. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.